All right, let's go take a walk in the woods. There's some big old deer tracks. Those are fresh. Yeah, I'm about to the end of the property, so I need to think about heading back. I'll walk through the sugar bush area on the way back. Usually on a mission to get out here and check the sap buckets. Oh my gosh. What is that? I gotta get this camera off and take a closer look at this. Oh man, that is cool. Wow. That's a leg off of some sort of a raptor. That looks like it's a hawk. Yeah, it's got 3 toes forward and 1 back, but it has a leg band on it. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. Holy smokes. There's another little tiny, that's a mouse bone here. That's like a mouse leg bone. What else we got here? There's a little piece of bone. There's a little mouse rib bone. Well, you know what? This looks like a smaller type of foot, like maybe a Cooper's. It's too big for a sharp shin. This is a hemlock tree here. And with the mouse parts, the mouse bones under here, tells me that this was a roost, at least a feeding roost. This could be yet another bone dropped by whatever larger raptor made a habit out of eating in this particular tree. We have a lot of great horned owls out here. Great horned owl could easily feed on a Cooper's hawk. Yeah, well. Actually, you know what? It's not legal to possess bits and pieces of hawks, so I need to leave that bone right where it sits and see if I can figure out where to report this band and get more information about that. I'll just take some pictures of that. All right, I got some pictures of that. There's some more bones over here. A little mouse skull. Wow. All right, well, I'm gonna head back up to the house. That is pretty darn amazing. I sure never expected to find that. I've never in my life seen one of those. Heard about them, other people finding them. But that is just flat out amazing. Never thought I'd see one. Always something interesting. Huh. That was really cool. All right, so I'm backing out of the woods, and I'm going to try to figure out where on the internet to report this bird band that I just found. Let me search report a bird band. Reporting a bird with a federal band or auxiliary marker. So I'm not reporting the whole bird, I'm only reporting bits and pieces of a bird. Does that count? I think it probably does. Okay, so report a band at www.reportband.gov. Let's go there. Reporting a bird with a federal band or color marker. Continue. I am the finder or am reporting on behalf of the finder. Yeah, I am the finder. Federal band. So I'm finding only a color marker. Continue. Do you know the species? I do not. I suspect it's a Cooper's hawk, but I don't know that. So I'll click no. Try to select general type of bird. Oh, it's a pull down menu. It's a hawk. Another pull down menu. Please select how the bird / band was obtained. Shot? No. Found a dead bird? Yeah. Purchased? Found? Yeah, I'm going to say found a dead bird. Cause of death, if known. Unknown cause is the default. Band with skeleton or bone only. Okay, that's exactly what I need. So, condition of the band. Please select the band condition. Removed from bird, left on bird, or unknown. I'm going to say left on bird because I did in fact leave it on the bone. Condition of the bird was dead. Date of encounter. Comments. Continue. Comments too long. Maximum 250. All right. There. That was perfect. Please complete only the fields which describe the markers seen on the bird. Color leg band, left or unknown leg. E33. Choose the color. Yellow. Color of code. Code was black. Continue. Please select the country and state province for your encounter. It was in the United States. And drop down menu, Michigan. Then it's got some name and email address. Oh, would you like to receive a certificate of the banding data via email? That would be awesome. Once the report is processed, you will receive an email with a certificate if you requested it, or you may download the certificate from our website using the band number, first name, and last name. That's kind of cool. So I might have a certificate that will tell me all about this bird that met its demise out in my woods.